Hi everyone, very quick tutorial. I just received the Vevor 3300 gate motor. So far it actually seems to be working pretty well. This is the assembly of the main bracket. The motor mounts on top of here, and these are the slots that face outwards. They will mount onto the concrete pad with the yellow bolts that are in the bag over there. They tend to expand as you tighten them. You can post drill, or you can just tighten them a little bit until these are slightly tapered at the end and just cast these straight into the concrete. First thing, the chain lock things go in these heavy duty brackets, and they have round clamps and square clamps depending whether they are attaching to poles or square tubing. So these get used to attach the chain locks. The chains will obviously go in there with a link or a bolt and a nut. These are the magnets that start and stop. And I'm just testing this over here, so I'm just taking one of these to show you how this works. Okay, I have programmed the keypad to work, so I'm going to just enable it, and then I'm going to show you how to use the magnet. And also the dip switches here control how long it takes to close after you've opened. I have 2 and 3 at the top, and that's 20 seconds, I believe. It's 5, 10, and 20 seconds. So I'm going to initiate the code. And it stops on the upper, and then 20 seconds later it's going to try and close it, and I'll put the magnet on the lower section. Should start closing soon. There it goes. Very cool. Okay, so there are a couple of videos on how to program these. They're all generic. The default code on these, this is a 2-channel, which means that the left button, you can put one code and go left, or you can put in another code and go right. And to program it, you have to hold down 0, hold down left, let go left, left go 0, let go. Let me repeat that. Sorry. To program the left channel, the default passcode is 11. So to program it, you hold down 0, hold down left, let go 0, then you put in the default code, which is 11, you go left, then you put in your new code, like 1, 2, 3, 4, left, and then you repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, left, and then this red light will stay on for a bit, and that code is set. And you can repeat it by holding down 0, pushing down right, letting go 0, then you go 2, 2 right, which is the default code, then you put in your new code, right, repeat new code, right. And that lets you program 2 codes for this. If you lose it, I believe you can reset by pressing this little button and just starting from scratch with this guy. I haven't got batteries for these, unfortunately. I happen to get 6, which is really cool. They take batteries. I bought 20 for $8 on Amazon. And then these are the infrared safety features that one end goes on the end post and one goes on the gate, and it just looks to see if there's anything in the way. I'd say the safest height is probably 18 inches off the ground, maybe 12 for animals, who knows. That'll just help you get going. And then the little cover just bolts on top. It's kind of plasticky. I would definitely take these snap rings off and grease these. This is a sealed bearing, and then I don't know why you'd want to do this, but if you open this all the way, it disengages the clutch, and then this spins by hand. But I don't know why you'd need to do that. I would just get some lithium spray and spray it in here, and I might just take some electrical corrosive sealer and just spray all of these the whole little connections. This is where the AC power connects to. You can kind of get down here. Some people drill a hole through the aluminum base and just feed it up with a little rubber grommet, and then that's where your AC connects in. And it's pretty straightforward. This is the antenna. cool little setup. I'm going to use it at my shop, so I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.